Well, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to do what's in the parentheses first. In other words, want to remove the exponents that are on the outside by multiplying each exponent by the outside exponent. So this would be x to the 1/2, and it's going to get multiplied by 4, and then divided by y squared, which also gets multiplied by 4, times y to the 1/3, which gets multiplied by 3, divided by x to the negative 2/3, which gets multiplied by 3. So 4 times 1/2, that's x squared. 4 times 2, that's y to the 8. 1/3 times 3, that's y. 1/3 times negative 2/3 times 3 is negative 2. Now, if you bring this all together by multiplying, the first thing you notice is here, the y's will reduce out, leaving you with a y to the 7th in the denominator. And then what you have is an x squared, a y to the 7th, and an x to the negative 2. These two can't reduce out. Well, why? Because that's a 2, that's a negative 2. Properties of exponents, it says that a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m subtract n. So in this case, that this would be x to the 2 minus a minus 2. It's x to the 4. Many of you would say, I'll just move the x squared up. The one from the denominator changes the exponent from negative to positive. You end up in the same place. So this then becomes x to the 4th over y to the 7th. Now on this one, it is a factor and then multiply and reduce. So I want to factor first. So this is, you want two numbers which are multiplied together, give me 21, and subtract, because this is minus, to give me 4. And that's 7 and 3. Now I need a positive 4, so the 7 is positive, the 3 is negative. Again, all leading coefficients 1. Two numbers are multiplied together, give me 28, and subtract to give me 3. Well, that is 7 and that is 7 and 4. Think about that one. Don't know why. A little foggy this morning. So this is a 7. This is a 4. And then the biggest one has to be plus. Two numbers which would multiply together give me 32 and subtract to give me 4. Well, that's 8 and 4. The largest should be positive. Two numbers which multiply together give me 48 and add, because that's plus, to give me 14 at 6 and 8. And they're both plus. Now I can start reducing out. This forms a 1, so these guys go. This forms a 1 because of the plus 8, so that goes. This is an x minus 4. This is an x minus 4, so that goes. And what's left standing is x minus 3 divided by x plus 6.